गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग सेफ एंड आज मैं लेके आ गई हूँ नायका हॉल एज यू कैन सी एंड सारी ही स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स है एंड मुझे रिसीव हुआ है ऑलमोस्ट 6 to 7 डेज हो चुके हैं। Before we proceed to this video, if you are new to my channel, then hey, my name is Aparna. Hello to my channel and please consider subscribing to my channel and click that notification bell button that you can notify whenever I upload new video. So the very first thing I receive is this Dr. Sheth's for Indian Skin Lux box. This is how the box look like and this is originally for 2285 rupees, but I got it for a sale. I got for I think around 1100 rupees, which is really great deal. And this is how the packaging look like, and I think packaging is really pretty and beautiful. And this box contains 3 of these products, and let's go through each product. And the very first thing is this Dr. Sheth's basic brightening daily cleanser. It says it's hydrate, brighten and renew, and it has rosehip seed extract and almond oil and vitamin E, and this 50 ml product cost you 375 rupees. and अगर आप ये अलग से ख़रीदते हो तो and this is how the outer packaging look like. As you can see, this is basic cardboard packaging and this is how the bottle look like. I think this is a really cute and travel friendly bottle, and it has golden detailing over here, and this is plastic and it also has a pump. It has very gel like consistency and इसके अंदर छोटा छोटा रेड पार्टिकल्स है. आई थिंक ये रोजी सेट्स की एक्सट्रैक्ट है if I am not wrong, but it has really gel like, oh shit. I take 2 pump of this product and then I lather it out and then I gently massage into my skin and then I wash it off, and this cleanser clean my face without drying my skin. And जब से मुझे रिसीव हुआ है I have been constantly using this cleanser, and this is really gentle and hydrating face wash for your dry and sensitive skin types. And so far I have been really enjoying this product, and this is really beautiful face wash to go for. Secondly, we have this Dr. Sheth basic brightening extra gentle daily peel, and this is an chemical exfoliator and it says exfoliate, brighten and repair, and it has glycolic acid, lactic acid, pomegranate and calendula extract, and this 50 ml product cost you 850 rupees. And this is how the basic outer packaging look like, and I heard really good things about this product and I do have high hopes with this one. and क्योंकि मैं अभी बस chemical peel यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया एंड इसमें काफ़ी एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स भी है, तो अभी के लिए मैं इसे वीक में एक ही बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड इट हैज़ रियली सीरम लाइक कंसिस्टेंसी एंड ये इजीली स्प्रेड भी हो जाती है स्किन पे. ऑल्दो दे क्लेम्ड इट्स जेंटल डेली पिल, बट आई स्टिल डोंट प्रेफर यूजिंग दिस डेली ऑन माई स्किन क्योंकि मेरी स्किन इसे यूज टू नहीं है एंड इट कैन बी रियली हार्श ऑन माई स्किन, तो इसे थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ेगा स्किन में एडजस्ट होने के लिए. सो इसीलिए मैं इसे धीरे धीरे अपनी स्किन केयर रूटीन में इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ. and the very first day I used this one on my skin ना, तब मेरी स्किन थोड़ा सा रिएक्ट किया था. I got few bumps here and there and थोड़ा सा tingling sensation होता है जब भी मैं इसे यूज़ करती हूँ, and which is really normal. फ़िलहाल तो मैं नहीं बता सकती कि ये मेरी स्किन पे वर्किंग और नॉट. बस 2 ही दिन हुआ है मैंने इसे यूज़ किया है, तो एटलीस्ट मैं इसे पूरा ख़त्म कर लूँ, और मे बी इसे 1 मंथ यूज़ करने के बाद ही मैं इसे इसकी इन डेप्थ रिव्यू बनाऊंगी फॉर यू गाइस. दिस इज द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट आई गॉट इन दिस बॉक्स. दिस इज देयर हल्दी एंड hyaluronic acid sleeping mask, and it says is brighten, repair and hydrate. It has turmeric oil, it has ceramide and hyaluronic acid. This 30-gram product cost you 850 rupees, and this is how the glass container look like. As you can see, and it has really nice golden cap on it, and this container looks really pretty, I think. And this is the how mask look like. As you can see, it has really a runny consistency, and it has small healthy particles, and this is really hydrating mask, you guys. And this is how the texture look like. This is almost like water, as you can see. It has no fragrance in it, but इसमें से थोड़ा सा raw हल्दी की smell आती है. And overall this mask is for your dehydration and repair your skin. And this is an night mask, but I also like to apply this as my moisturizer. फिलहाल तो मैं इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ, and so far this is doing really great on my skin. Next I got is this minimalist vitamin C 10% plus EG 1% face serum. This is dermatology tested. This 30 ml product cost me 699 rupees, and this is how the outer packaging look like. And इसके अंदर और एक पैकेट है, as you can see, and then you get this cute little black dropper bottle, as you can see. This is how the product texture look like. This is almost like water, and this spread really easily on the skin. I have been looking for really good and affordable vitamin C serum. Then I found this one, and before buying this one I go through so many videos and people talked really nice thing about this one, so I got this. Vitamin C is really good for your skin, and it is an antioxidant. It means it protects your skin cells from free radicals caused by UV exposure, and it also helps in melanin production in the skin, which helps to lighten your hyperpigmentation, brown spot, and even out your skin tone. And it also enhance your skin texture. I just started using this product, so I can't tell you if this is working or not, but this is definitely take little time to show the result. Next I bought is this La Shield sunscreen gel. It has SPF 40, PA++, UVA, UVB. This is oil free and dermatology tested, and this 60 gram of product cost me, I think, 790 rupees. And this is how the outer packaging look like, and this is the tube, as you can see. It says it's a sunscreen gel, and this is supposed to be gel like consistency, but this is more like your regular cream like texture. And one more thing I didn't like about this sunscreen is it has really strong fragrance in it. Apart from that, this sunscreen not gives you white cast whatsoever, which I most liked about this sunscreen. And also this feels really good on the skin. Definitely this is suitable for your normal to combination skin type. And इसका जो texture है ना ही oily और ना ही matte like है, it's just in between. Let me show you. As you can see, this is cream like texture, and it spread really easily, and this not gives you white cast whatsoever. and this is definitely really good option to go for. Next I bought two of these face masks. One is from Himalaya. This is their purifying neem face pack. This is for normal to oily skin type. It has neem, turmeric and fuller earth. These are really good for your skin, and whenever I use this face mask on my skin, it's definitely deep clean my face. And this 100-gram product cost 135 rupees, and this is really good face mask. Another I got is this Ziva Active Charcoal Peel Off Mask with argan oil. This is for all skin type, and this 60-gram product cost 300 rupees. This is definitely a fun face mask, and whenever I use this on my skin, this gives me such a satisfaction, and because it clean my pores and dead cell, and this is very nice face pack to go for. This is it for this video. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.